Here we go, new day. Let's see what we've got. Like one of the techs are hard at work. Lift, we have another red Chevy truck, this time in four-wheel drive dressing, square body. Hi, Jack. What a gentleman. K10 Silverado, step side, four-wheel drive, doing some undercoat removal. Crunchy. Stuff like this. Ooh. The truck that's going to be headed to Indy to the Mecum auction once we get her all gussied up, looking proper like. See here in this inner fender where we've been taking some of this old gross undercoating off? Smooth as a baby's bottom. It's a time lapse. Here we're in the inner rear wheel opening and we're taking off this undercoating to display the beautiful factory finish. Once we get this one looking all proper, I'll post some updated photos and some video content so you guys can see just how extreme this makeover gets.